Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily find all the hidden posts on Facebook account. That's quite simple, interesting and easy. So make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. I am on my iPhone. You can follow the exact same steps if you're on a computer or a Android. So let's get started. So first of all, open up the Facebook application. And once you're on this page, you'll have to go to the settings of your Facebook account. And to do that, tap on three lines on the bottom right to tap the menu. Then scroll down a bit and then tap on settings and privacy. Once you're on this page, you'll have to tap on settings on the top. And then you'll have to scroll down and you will have to go to activity log simply. And in your activity section, you'll find an option of activity log on the top. You'll have to tap on that and it will take you to this page. Now, right here, you'll have to tap on your activity across Facebook and it will pop up with a lot of options, and you'll have to tap on posts and you'll have to tap on manage posts just under post section. And once you're on this page, it will show you an option of filters on the top left. You'll have to tap on filters and then tap on categories. And then you'll have to tap on posts hidden from profile. That is the fourth option in the list, and right now it will show you all the posts that you have hidden from your profile. That's how you can easily hide all the posts on you can easily find all the hidden posts on Facebook account. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video,